Everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, and I hope you guys are doing great. So today I have another collection to show you guys. It's from Madam Glam and it's called Say Yes to the Nude. So this collection came in April, but I got it in the month of May, which is totally fine because the colors that I've picked, they are absolutely gorgeous and I'm in love with them. They are sheer formula and you can do so much with these. Like if you're into nudes, check out the collection at madamglam.com, and this time they have given me this information about the gels, that they have 10 soak-off gel shades of beige, which is soft pink, bloom, glory, elegance, I do, champagne, glass, lotus, dove, purity. So these are the names, and from this 10 gels I've selected 6 here. And yeah, they say new collection, nude experiences, wedding season or not, we are here for a yes. And I really like how they write about this collection here. I want to mention one more thing, that all of the Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty free and aniline free formula. So now I'm gonna swatch these for you and show you the names of each bottles that I got. So let's get started. these beautiful nude colors, guys, and as you can see, they are so pretty and so delicate and natural, and you can do so much with these. They will look great on their own, or you can do any kind of art on them. I'm really happy with these sheer polishes. This was my first time using Madam Glam sheer polishes, and I'm really impressed with the formula. So now I'll be using one of the nude polish from this collection and show you a little design, so stay tuned. So now I'll be using a marble design on the nail, and for the color I'll be using I Do here. It's a very beautiful pinky color. So I'll just apply a first layer of the color on the nail. And cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna apply a second layer of I Do and cure it for 30 seconds. I'm gonna take a white paint, it's a gel paint, to draw the lines, and here's my brush. Now I'm just gonna draw a marble pattern and just the wiggly lines, like nothing as like perfect, so just like random lines. Then I have got my alcohol and a flat brush, and I'm just gonna disperse the line here. Like so, and I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds because it is a gel polish, so I just need to cure for 30 seconds. And now I'm gonna give a little more details to the marble nail. Happy with your design, just cure it for another 30 seconds. So at this point you can always apply a top coat, but I really want a little softer look, so I'll apply a very thin coat of I Do just on top of the lines. What happen is the lines will go at the back and gives a very natural kind of effect. So yeah, that's how it looks, and yeah, cure it for 30 seconds. And now I'm gonna apply Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. Final look, guys. I am really happy how it turned out, and what I like about marble nails that they don't have to be so precise. I mean, you can be imperfectly perfect. So I'm really happy about the nails. So I'm gonna show you two more here while I was practicing. This one I did with soft pink, and this one is elegance. I hope you really enjoyed watching the swatches and the marble design using Say Yes to Nude collection from Madam Glam. I also have a 30% off coupon code, which I will link on the screen and as well in the description box, and as well the direct link of this collection, so do check it out. And if you're looking for sheer polishes, they are the best, and they are so delicate and soft, like I really love them. So if you really enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. This will mean a lot to me. And do subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!